Python is a computer language. Think of it like a set of instructions you give a computer. Hackers use it to break into systems. Python is easy to learn, even for beginners. It can do many things, making it perfect for hacking. Python can automate tasks. This means it can repeat actions many times. Hackers love this because it saves them time and effort. Imagine trying thousands of passwords by hand. Python can do it in minutes. Python is very popular among hackers. One reason is its simplicity. The code is easy to read and write. This makes it perfect for beginners who are just starting out. Even experienced hackers like Python because it's fast to work with. Another reason is Python's power. It has many tools and libraries specifically designed for hacking. These tools can do things like scan websites for weaknesses and launch attacks automatically. Imagine you want to break into a website. Python can help you try thousands of passwords quickly. This is called a brute force attack. Python makes it very easy to do. Hackers use Python to automate many types of attacks. One common attack is called a DDoS attack. This stands for Distributed Denial of Service. It's like flooding a website with too many visitors so it crashes. Another common attack is phishing. Hackers send fake emails that look real to trick people. These emails might try to steal your passwords or credit card information. Python can help hackers create these emails and send them to many people at once. Python can also be used for more advanced attacks. For example, it can be used to find and exploit weaknesses in websites. This can give hackers access to sensitive information. Python has special tools called libraries. These libraries are like collections of pre-written code. Hackers can use these libraries to launch attacks more easily. One example is a library called requests. This library helps hackers interact with websites. They can use it to send and receive data just like a web browser does. But unlike a browser, requests lets hackers automate this process. Another example is a library called Scapy. This library is used for network analysis. Hackers can use it to analyze network traffic and find weaknesses to exploit. It's a powerful tool that can be used for both good and bad purposes.